Welcome to this video explaining how to manage subcontracting as an upper tier in ECOS, the ESA costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an ESA tender. In this video, we will start with an overview of the subcontracting process. Then, we will guide you through creating a subcontract bundle, assigning it to a subcontractor, and reviewing the subcontractor's price proposal. As an upper tier, you may subcontract part of your proposal to another supplier. ECOS offers two ways to manage subcontracting: delegation mode and provision mode. In this video, we will focus on delegation mode. To find out about provision mode, you can read the user manual managing subcontracting as an upper tier. In delegation mode, you create a subcontract bundle, associate your work breakdown structure nodes to it, complete the subcontract bundle information, and assign it to your subcontractor. At this stage, the subcontractor can complete their price proposal and submit it. Next, you review it and decide whether to accept it, send it back for updates, or reject it. Now, we will show you how to create a subcontract bundle. First, open your price proposal, as explained in the video overview of price proposal in ECOS, and log in. Then, click on the spanner icon to open the price proposal actions menu and select Subcontracts. In the My Subcontracts Bundles page that appears, click on Create a Subcontract Bundle, enter a reference and a title, choose Delegation as the input mode, and click on Create. Next, associate the appropriate work breakdown structure nodes with this bundle. Please note that only roll-up or product tree nodes can be associated. In your price proposal, click on the three dots next to the relevant node and select Associate to Subcontract. Choose the Subcontract bundle from the drop-down list and click on Associate. As you can see, the associated node has now turned orange. You can click on the link to access the bundle. In the window that appears, you can complete the bundle's details. Click on the magnifying glass to select the subcontractor. You can use the filters and sorting options if needed. Then click on the pencil icon to complete the assignment details. Enter the due date, the latest date by which you want the subcontractor to submit their proposal for your review, and select the type and selection type. Once all nodes have been associated and all information completed, click on Assign to send the bundle to the subcontractor. They will receive a notification in ECOS to let them know that they can start preparing their price proposal. Now let's see how you review a price proposal. When a subcontractor completes and submits their proposal, you will receive a notification in ECOS. To review it, open your proposal, navigate to the subcontract bundle, and select Review. A new window will open showing only the work breakdown structure nodes assigned to the subcontractor. Depending on their chosen sharing mode, you may see only the cost summary or both the cost summary and cost elements. Review the information carefully, then return to the subcontract bundle to make your decision. As you can see, you have three buttons for the actions you can now take. Click Accept and Integrate if the proposal is satisfactory. Click on Send Back for update if changes are needed, or click on Reject if the proposal cannot be accepted. If you select Accept and Integrate, a pop-up appears prompting you to confirm your action. Once it is confirmed, the subcontracted nodes will turn green, and your total price will now include the subcontractor's work package. The subcontractor will be notified that their proposal has been accepted, and their work breakdown structure can no longer be edited. If required, You may still send the proposal back for update later. However, this will remove all previously integrated data. If you wish to send the proposal back, enter a reason and a new due date. Then click on OK to confirm. A pop-up appears, prompting you to confirm your action. The bundle status will change to send back, and you will no longer have access to the subcontractor's proposal until it is resubmitted. If you reject the proposal, provide a reason and click on OK to confirm. The status will change to rejected, the assigned nodes will be released, and the subcontractor will be informed that they can no longer participate in the bid. During this video, we have explored how to manage subcontracting as an upper tier in ECOS using the delegation mode. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.